Hello, what's up YouTube photographer Ronix with another video. In this video I want to show you how I am able to upload very sharp videos and also photos to my Instagram. So this is going to be a very simple tutorial for you to follow along, and if at all you have really had issues regarding Instagram quality, and rather if at all you have been posting or uploading photos that are compressed and that lose quality when you post them to Instagram, this is the right video for you. So by this, you have to simply come and click on the three lines on the top right hand corner of your Instagram. So after logging into your Instagram in the app on mobile, simply come and click on them, and after clicking them, it is going to open up this menu right here. So simply come to the settings right here. So select settings, and when you select settings, it's going to open up another window, and under this simply come to account. So when you come to account and after selecting it, it is going to open up another account window with many options, and the option that we need for this case, we need cellular data use. So just come and simply click on it, and you can see we have media upload quality, and mine has been set to upload at highest quality. So make sure you activate this. So when it is activated, you're going to notice that it is going to be on the right hand side. This dot is going to be on the right hand side. So make sure that yours is also on the right hand side. So that means when you post photos to Instagram, the next time they are always going to be very sharp, and Instagram won't be compressing them at any point. So if at all you have a number of accounts logged into your Instagram app, what you have to do, you have to switch the accounts and you activate the settings so that every single time you're really posting or uploading media to your Instagram, that media won't be compressed under that account. So you have to activate it for every single account that you have. So this is it for today's video, and if at all you have learned a thing or two, simply like this video and don't forget to subscribe if at all you have found this video helpful, and I'll see you in yet more videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Ronix Photography.